Okay guys, hi, how are you? My name is Olimpiu Tuns, and today we'll talk about the ECB, European Central Bank, and about rate hike. As you already know, let's take a look here. The main refinancing rate is expected to be increased from 0.00% to 0.25%, guys, today in less than 10 minutes. Don't forget that the monetary policy statement, ECB press conference could bring high volatility. So we'll talk about the ECB rate hike. I will talk about US dollar longs, as you already know. But before I will talk about the ECB, please read the disclaimer. It's important, guys, as you already know. Please read it. It's important to understand the risks, and don't forget that if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Okay, I will close this window, and let's take a look. As I've said, the ECB is expected to increase the main refinancing rate. And let's take a look here. Euro USD right now, it tries to rebound. It tries to come back higher after its failure maybe to stabilize below the medium line of the descending pitchfork. Let's take a look on the dollar index first of all, and I will try to answer to your questions as well. Okay, so Charles, hi, how are you? Hi, Ethan, admin of L2T here in chat. Please, if you have questions, I'm waiting for questions, for your messages. And I don't know if you have questions about services, subscription, brokerage companies, or I don't know, any other questions, you can also send an email to support. Okay, do you think if the euro got stronger, the gold price will increase? Yeah, I will take a look on gold as well. So right now the dollar index, it has it's trading in the red on the 1 hour chart right now, after failing maybe to take out 107.10. I've talked about this level earlier today for the VIP members, and unfortunately right now it drops. That's why the US dollar has depreciated versus its rivals. So let's take a look on gold as well before the ECB. Yeah, gold is still bearish, guys. Okay, so personally, I will look only for shorts. Okay, for selling opportunities. I don't have a long opportunity. Okay, I don't have a reversal pattern, a bullish reversal pattern, and I don't know, as long as it stays below the S1 and after making a new level low, sideways movement, something like a temporary rebound here before dropping deeper. So personally, I'm looking only for longs, maybe here in gold. And after this amazing sell-off, maybe we've missed an opportunity here. So maybe I'll wait for temporary rebounds before dropping deeper or something. Okay, so that's why right now I'll stay away. I don't want to trade gold around the ECB right now. Okay. Right, only because the volatility could be high. The price of gold could register sharp movements in the short term, so that's why personally I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait to see how it will react. Okay, but if you're a VIP member, I've sent a new trade. I've shared my trade in British pound versus the US dollar again, because earlier I decided to manage my position to close it at break even, only because we had that rebound, as you already know. I've talked about that rebound from around 1.1925 or something. So right now I've sent a new trade for the VIP members in the VIP group. Okay. So, GVR store, hola, es posible traducción español? No, only Orlando. Personally, I'm not speaking Spanish, so only Orlando speaks Spanish. So maybe when he will go live, you can talk to him in Spanish. Thank you. So, the monetary, I'm short on gold after price broke below the historical level, targeting the I move this to the next significant daily level. Okay, so I've talked about gold. I've said that personally maybe I'll wait for because maybe I've missed something here. I've missed an opportunity to go short. Let's take a look here. Yeah, maybe something like this, or from below this low, or here. So right now I'll wait for temporary rebounds before I will I don't know, maybe before I will take action again or something. So right now I don't have a selling opportunity. Maybe it could be too late right now because it could rebound. I don't know. Anything could happen around the ECB, as you already know. Yeah. And so targeting 1660. Yeah, let's wait. But as you already know, the bias is bearish. Yeah, temporary rebounds, new lower lows could activate potential deeper drop or something. So one moment, because I have to take a look on something. One moment. So if you are a VIP member and if you are interested, so you already have my thought process behind my potential trade, actually my trade in British pound versus the US dollar, and yeah, my position got triggered. I will come back with my management into the VIP group, into the VIP Telegram group. Okay, so 3 minutes, guys, before let's take a look. So 3 minutes. I will refresh also the economic calendar. Let's take a look again on the dollar index. Yeah, it's still there, and after jumping above the downtrend line, and after stabilizing above the S1, it could try to come back higher, maybe towards this key level, towards the medium line. But also don't forget that this could be also something like a flag or something. But let's wait and see how it will react. Okay, after the main refinancing rate will be released. Sorry, guys. So Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD. Please take a look here. So also here on the Euro USD, this could still be only a temporary rebound. Okay, after this massive drop, massive sell-off, this could be only a temporary rebound. Let's use Fibonacci retracement here. You can see that it has failed to approach and reach the 50% retracement level. Right now it's located below the 38.2. So this could be only a temporary rebound. It's a failure to make a new higher high here, only false breakout above this former high, guys. So 1.0269. Yeah, as so high volatility right now. So it's failure to take out, to make a new higher high here. Maybe it has signaled that the buyers are exhausted. Let's wait for the ECB, also for the ECB press conference. And I don't know if the price will I don't know, make a new higher high, then it could come back higher towards these levels or something. Yeah. So let's refresh the economic calendar. One moment. So ECB, whoa, higher than expected, guys. So the ECB has decided to increase the main refinancing rate from 0.00% to 0.50%, above expectations. So 50 basis points rate hike above 25 basis point expected. So right now high volatility on all markets around this this decision. Yeah, high volatility on all markets. Let's take a look on the dollar index. Higher than expected rate hike, sell off on the dollar index right now, only because yeah, this it was an unexpected rate hike from the ECB, only because as you already know, the inflationary pressure is high. Higher inflation forced the central banks to hike rates, and let's wait also for the ECB press conference. Yeah, very important also. So ECB took further key steps to make sure inflation returns to its 2% target over the medium term. Yeah, as I've said. Okay, support isn't helpful. My money is on your PayPal and support is not necessary anymore. So please talk to support. I'm not here as a support agent. I'm here as an analyst, as a trader. I don't know exactly your situation. Yeah, so direct no. Please contact support. Personally, I cannot help you here. Thanks. Hello. Since I entered your VIP, I had no profit. Was all lost. Will it continue like this? I don't know. So trading is not only about winning trades, it's also about losing trades. It's about money management. Yeah, it's about risk management. So even if we are on a drawdown right now, yeah, we are working to bring or to share high probability trades, and it's up to you if you want to follow our trades, our trade management or not. Yeah, so of course you are ignoring it. Thanks a lot. No, as I've said, personally I'm not working direct. No, I'm not working as a support agent. I cannot help you. I don't know exactly your situation. You will have to wait for the support team to read your email, your message, and they will come back to you. Okay, thank you. Please be patient. As I've said, please be patient, because they will come back to you when they'll read your email. Unfortunately, or actually, there are thousands of emails and messages, and that's why there is a little delay. But they will come back to you, as I've said. Yeah. So strong volatility. Let's take a look also on gold. Gold, it has rebounded, as I said. I'll wait for maybe for a temporary rebound before maybe I will look for potential new shorts, because I've told you that personally I'm bearish on gold. I'm looking only for shorts. Okay, I'm looking only for shorts, and yeah. I'll wait to, maybe I would like the price to come back higher towards 1697 before I will look for potential new selling opportunities and shorts. Yeah. Before I will look for new shorts. Silver as well, I believe that will have a rebound here as well, only because the price of, or actually the dollar index dropped, plunged after the ECB. As I've said earlier, the ECB decided to increase the main refinancing rate by 50 basis points above expectations, only because yeah, the inflation is really high. So let's wait also for the ECB press conference to see how the markets will react. US oil, and I will take a look also on US equities. So US oil, as I've said, we have here something like actually a downtrend line, a down channel, only a false breakout, gap down here, and invalidating its breakout, a breakout above the medium line, the breakout here above the downtrend line, and right now a new sell-off, but we are above this support zone, demand area 92.92, 93.51. So yeah, I'll wait to see how it will react here. I've told you guys that a valid breakout maybe here below this key support zone, demand area could signal a potential deeper drop. Okay, so but right now I don't have an opportunity. I don't want to sell it here right above this demand zone. I don't want to buy it here right now, so I'll wait. Okay, US 100, as you already know, Orlando was long, or actually is still long on US 100 on Nasdaq. Actually also he closed a long position last night here in US 100 in profit, and his current position is in profit as well. So yeah, because the bias is still bullish here after taking out 12,237 key level, resistance level. So the bias remains bullish. Orlando will come back with his trade management. Let's take a look. US 30. US 30. Okay, please provide gold news. I've talked about gold. Yeah, and can we focus on what is the trade going to be? The USD has picked up. Yeah, hi sir, I take your signal, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen in your VP group. How you see? It's not my signal, it's Orlando's trade. Please wait for Orlando's management. If you took that trade, if you followed his trade, that is his trade. He will come back with his trade management. And personally, I've talked about Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen yesterday in a video analysis. So you have my opinion there in that video analysis posted yesterday in our YouTube channel, also in the groups. So US 30, also US 30, it has consolidated here above the weekly R1. And right now, I don't know, maybe it could try to come back higher or something. But personally, I'll wait a little maybe to see how it will react, how the markets will react after the ECB press conference. You can see that it has found resistance, 31,912. So sideways movement, accumulation, consolidation. I believe that's a very breakout, a new higher high could signal a potential upside continuation. You can see that we have something like this. Rally, retreat, rally, something like an accumulation, consolidation before maybe a potential new rally or something, but we need confirmation here on US 30 on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Let's take a look. US 500, US 500, same here, something like a sideways movement, breakout, move the former highs or something, yeah, and but personally I'll wait. Orlando, as I've said, Orlando is long on the Nasdaq, on the US 100. So personally I'll stay away. I'll wait maybe we'll have a new high probability trade or something. So Euro USD. Someone asked me about Euro USD. So yeah, Euro USD rallied in the short term because the dollar index dropped as a first reaction right after the ECB, European Central Bank, released the main refinancing rate. And I will take a look also on my news terminal. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen in VIP group, how you see? Please tell me. I told you that's not my trade. Yeah, it's Orlando's trade. He will come back with his management. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. If you are not, if you don't want to wait for Orlando's management. Right now we have an extended sideways movement on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. I will take a look on that market as well here when I'll talk about the Japanese yen. Yeah. Traders bet on 60 basis points of ECB rate hikes in September. Whoa. Yeah. So but I'll wait also for the ECB press conference, as I've said. For the ECB press conference. So right now, personally and technically, so right now as a first reaction, Euro USD, it has rallied only because we had this sell-off on the dollar index. Sorry, on the dollar index. So sell-off here on the dollar index. But let's wait, because this could be only a sideways movement. I don't know, something like this. Let's see, only a new lower low here could activate a potential deeper drop, and only false breakdowns, rejections from 106.62 from the S1, from the lower medium line, could push the dollar index higher again. So personal wait to see how it will react, yeah, in the short term. Yeah, it's premature to go long or short right now on the US dollar after this strong reaction. Anything could happen, an unexpected or actually higher rate hike, and yeah, anything could happen. The monetary ECB rate hike of 50 basis points caused euro to fly. Yeah, yeah, as a first reaction. But I've said that in, I don't know, 17 minutes, the ECB press conference, and in 2 minutes, unemployment claims from the United States. Let's see how the markets will react. Yeah. DXY. Let's take a look again on gold. Yeah, as I've said, maybe this will be only a temporary rebound in gold before coming back down or something. So I've said that personally I will look for potential shorts, but right now it's premature to sell this rebound, because maybe the price will come back higher to retest 1,697 or this uptrend line before coming back down. Yeah. Because as I've said, the bias remains bearish here in gold. Sorry. So the bias remains bearish, maybe only a temporary rebound. I will refresh the economic calendar again. Yeah, unemployment claims from the United States worse than expected again, 251,000, above 240 K. Philly Fed manufacturing index worse than expected. Later, also the US is released the CB leading index. Okay. Okay, so about the Japanese yen, let's take a look. Japanese yen basket. Japanese yen basket. Yeah, so as you can see here on the Japanese yen basket, the bias remains bearish. Potential deeper drop could force the Japanese yen to depreciate. Okay, so that's why right now strong rally. Yeah, I will take a look. One moment, I will take a look. I will take a look on Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen strong rally. Okay, strong rally. Canadian dollar Japanese yen. I believe that we have no. It continues to move sideways here, but yeah, as I've said, Orlando will come back with his management, but the bias remains bullish as long as the yen basket is bearish. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, maybe I'm looking for longs here as well, but right now Orlando is long on that Canadian dollar Japanese yen, so I don't want to double down the risk, maybe to double the risk on the Japanese yen. So as I've said, the bias remains bearish on the Japanese yen, and I don't know, personally I'm still looking for potential Japanese yen shorts. Okay, and also here maybe this retreat sideways movement could bring us new long opportunities. New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Yeah, also here maybe this will be only a temporary drop, temporary retreat, maybe. It could be on a temporary retreat. Maybe this will be a flag or something, a flag pattern, an upside continuation pattern, or a falling wedge. Yeah, so maybe something like this before it will extend its growth. But right now, as long as it stays below the downtrend line, personally, actually I'll wait maybe for a value breakout before jumping higher. Yeah. Okay, my area of interest is 0.9952. Maybe we could see price move down to here after the red. Yeah, well, we'll see. Last production, why not of the signals not making profit? What? So Orlando's trade last night in US 100 on the Nasdaq closed it in profit, really good profit. So Nasdaq more than 1%, actually I don't know, 1.23% growth in our real account with that trade last night in Nasdaq. So that's why if you want to catch those GBP is losing position. Should we wait or close now? It's up to you what you want to do. Personally, I'm holding. It's too late maybe to manage my position. I don't want to close it right now. I will let it ride. Even if it reaches my stop loss, it's fine. I knew right from the beginning that I'm risking 1% of the trading account, so it's fine for me even if it reaches the stop loss. Okay, so it's fine for me. It's up to you how you want to manage your positions. It's your trading account, so it's your call. Okay, so as I've said about that trade that Orlando took in Nasdaq last night, maybe you've missed that trade. Because but you know, it was a quick trade, it was an intraday trade, and that's why maybe it's important if you want to, I don't know, if you want to use our copy trading service. So if you want to use our copy trading service, if you want to one moment, because I will share that link into the group. So yeah, if you want to have if you want to copy our trades, to have to catch our entries, or I don't know, our intraday trades, short-term trades, you can use that copy trading service. And also, if you are not a VIP member, if you are a free member, Orlando sent a new trade in US30. I've talked about US30 earlier, so yeah, if you are interested in US equities, and if you want to follow our trades, all our trades, yeah. Okay, so this is my opinion about the yen, the Japanese yen basket again. I've told you that the bias remains bearish. Yeah. Okay, so gold. So maybe Orlando will come, will go live later today around the US Open. If you want to join his daily edge live webinar, live trading session, probably he will come back with more trades, with more setups, with his management on the current trades. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Nasdaq, sorry, US 100. So yeah, and also he will talk about his new pending order in Canadian in Dow Jones Industrial Average. Okay, if you don't have more questions, personally I will end this webinar. Loss production is going away, we are losing money. So if you cannot afford to lose 1%, please don't trade. Trading is not for you. And if you don't want to follow our trades, my trades or something, it's up to you. So personally, I knew from the beginning that I could lose 1% of my trading account, so it's fine. Okay, so last production, it's up to you if you want to follow the trades or not. And also, if you cannot afford, I don't know, to lose 1% or something, because my risk was 1%, I don't know your risk. Yeah, if you cannot afford to lose, I don't know, 1% or something, trading is not for you. Okay guys, personally I will end this webinar. I don't have anything right now. I'll wait for the markets to calm down, to cool down after this strong reaction after the ECB. And yeah, Orlando maybe will come back later today with his daily edge live trading webinar. Thank you guys, bye bye.